Hello guys, welcome to the Hack. Today we are going to see how to install Linux in your iOS or OS. First of all, subscribe our channel so that you can get more and more updates from our channel. Now go to Microsoft Store, go to search bar and type Linux. You get an option down in the search bar, Linux. Choose first one, then you see Linux there. Then click get link. It's an original software. It's a basic platform for hacking. In this software, there are hacking tools are available freely available. It's a free software, so that is available in an app store. Wait for install. All Linux software are good, but for hacking, Linux is best software because there are hacking tools are available freely available. Yeah, my product is installed. Now click launch button, launch option. To launch a new system, click launch option. This is available means your software is successfully installed. Now search Linux. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the hack so that you will get the oncoming hacking videos. In future we are going to start an hacking tutorial, so please subscribe us and share our channel. Thank you.